I can show you how to design a stunning letter H and I logo in Illustrator in under 10 minutes. A simple and fast yet effective logo design using the letters H and I. There are usually many challenges to be faced while creating a logo, such as time constraints and expertise. To create a logo, step into the world of Illustrator and learn the tools and techniques here. My channel name is HLGraphics. And my name is Humaira Laique. Here is the name of the font I chose. Alley-oop. It is absolutely free font. It is also free for commercial use and also free for personal use. Type letter H and letter I. With the help of Type tool, create outlines of the letters and then ungroup them so they are separate. And we can change them easily. Now we will use the eraser tool here. Only the stems of the H will remain and the rest will be erased. Now we will also cut I into two pieces. With the help of eraser tool, the upper part will be shorter and the lower part will be longer. Create an arc using the pen tool, which we will start from the right side and end on the left side. Then we will convert it to stroke. And will increase its thickness. And width profile number 1 will be selected. Now expand it so that it becomes an object. Now grab them all with the help of Selection tool. And click the Shape Builder tool. Here we are using the color red. I have chosen red color so that you can see the design clearly. Now we will start creating the logo. And we'll select the part of the center, which will be of red color. With the help of the Selection tool, we will move the upper black part slightly upwards. Now we will change the black part below to red color. And the dot of letter I will also be red. We will unite the bottom part so that it becomes an object. With the help of the Direct Selection tool, we will round the top of the letter I. Here the logo is complete. But I have created a gradient shade red and black color. I will apply it on this logo. You can use any color. Gradient colors create a beautiful look. Using the Direct Selection tool, I'm elongating the bottom part a bit. In this quick and easy tutorial, you'll learn how to create a stunning letter H and I logo using Adobe Illustrator. Be sure to express what you think about my logo, and if you have any questions, be sure to ask.